Boyfriend's Day.
So what are the ladies supposed to do to celebrate?
To treat their boyfriends
How?
in a nice way.
With money.
If that is nice.
Stacey, Stacey, enlighten us more about this World Boyfriend's Day, because you could be there. Because us, we are past boyfriend stage.
No. Boyfriend is just a word, but you celebrate your mpendwa.
Yeah.
Yes, ri wakoro wena
Mpendwa sasa ujeni.
ya mpenzi.
Mpendwa.
Not that mpendwa. Leave that one.
Not the one of the mountain.
Leave that one of mountain of crying. So you come back.
So the ladies are supposed to be the one celebrate.
Yes. Umuthi ukaguriro kindu kiega uguo no na kindu takariganirwo kindu ta thogithi ta wareti you know. Yes. Ni muthenya ri wa ku celebrate mundu uria wendete.
Boyfriend that is.
Boyfriend and if you have a husband you can celebrate husband.
Ginya husband.
Yes.
Ni
mundu uria wendete na ngoro yaku yothe.
Mundu muhiriga wa Ibrahim.
Yes.
Ni wega gutheria.
Kamugurira thogithi iria cia thate pia ithatu. Agakena mundu ucio.
That boyfriend.
Nemo nogia na thogithi na ngasifu.
Na wallet.
Na boxer.
Aya ekendeke muririe. We ungienda kuheo kiheo kiriku muthi?
Niĩ na to kĩheo niĩ ona ingĩtwarwo handũ ndĩhĩrwo kabirwo na gatarĩ kanene ĩrĩa feel nice.
Okay. Next patient.
You asking what I would like to be bought for?
Yes. On this special day that you guys just remembered.
Not
No,
mind.
hata ndio mambo wangu
I
zawadi.
would not mind a Prado.
Tuelewe wapi? Budget ni socks.
Tũtikore mũno thogithi-inĩ.
Holiday ciothe iria ikoragwo supposed to celebrate mũndũ rũmeri. No mũndũ rũme ũgaramikaga.
True.
Yes. Father's Day tupeleke out leo ni Father's Day.
Hata leo bado wafo mpeleke out leo ni boyfriend's day.
Sasa sikia.
Si ni date yenu nyinyi wawili.
Na si chukua ulikuwa unajua as a girlfriend.
But we are supposed to be treated.
Because of the girlfriend, they have made you a boyfriend. So, you should take them for a date.
Sasa watu ya mathematics. Sasa hapo ni kufinyirio.
Hapana. You know, ndũngĩtwo boyfriend ũtarĩ na girlfriend.
Nĩma.
So we ũkoya girlfriend yaku ũkamũtwara date nĩ ũndũ nĩ agũtuire boyfriend.
And then when you go for the date alafu
rĩu unaona we nĩ wamũtwara date ũkamũtwara date kũndũ ta Glee ũguo kana ũka-reserve parks you know rĩu ũgathiĩ.
Smana.
Yes. So date yaku rĩu unaona nĩyo alafu agakũhe thogithi na wareti.
Nĩu warĩkia kũrĩha ngiri 15 yaku ĩra surprise. Todo thogithi cia paini.
Kumuda nko socks ithatũ.
Na boxer iria cikoragwo twĩrĩga kabagiti.
Na vest.
Vest ndavani.
Vest nacio nĩ marĩtũraga nacio. Mwezi jana tu siku moja unanunulia mtu 3-piece suit ya designer ya kitu 40k.
Come again.
Hapo umesikia? Hapo hujasikia? Ama boyfriend yako ujijazie useme hii mwezi namlipia rent.
But suppose at least mnabaiwa watches, si ndio? Hata paka kale kakoragwo na watch, na pen, na notebook, na tie, na bow tie.
Kau nĩ kega, kau ningĩ tiko thogithi. Kau nĩ kega.
Simon Kavunya arauga hau nĩ kĩiye.
Kimeibio.
Kimeibio.
Nona okay, kadige kuga basi ya Bible to ndio kane ya Bible.
We will place
no hare hauga gatere. It is because of you that I am. So it's because of the girls that you are a boyfriend.
So then in that case, we are celebrating ourselves.
Yes.
Like we have always done.
No, if you were single, you couldn't celebrate.
No,
ndå na reason ya celebrate.
Kau mũndũ mene athi andũ akauga ecokerie ngatho.
Ngahũrĩre karũĩ.
Tondũ wa Ngai na riũa.
No mũkĩbange date. Mtware wapendwa date.
To all those who have boyfriends, please makinikeni leo.
Naam.
Tumewajulisha na tigo tuku.
And you don't even have to do much.
Yes.
No, makia thũkũma na mahu.
Ogole tukando mukona candlelit dinner.
Kana tu gũka weke gĩcinga hua gambe
mũkũhĩa
kana gĩkĩrĩte na iro.
No,
no bado no tũmũtware date mũngĩkora mwĩ andũ ega rĩ no tũmũtwarage date.
Oguo nĩguo nĩ kwagĩra tũtakorwo tũrĩ ega.
Kwagĩra mũtagagĩra.
Phyllis Maina ruga hapo kwa suti as in
Umesema skari.
Sasa maboyfriend mjue leo mnatritiwa. Wale mko boyfriend stage. Mademu wenyu wanawapanga kila mtu tenga 10 leo. Kapa 10 hapo. Kapa kio. 10k.
Okay.
Kwa hivyo boyfriend ya Stacy wherever you are you ready to be bombarded with 20k?
Are you ready?
Akisha alipo kule kwa Ari Silva. Anakuletea yote.
Nikukanje.
Yes.
Yoro mwega ucio.
Na wageke no.
Na wageke no. Sokia gatho. Atokanyia.
Now you know. Muthenya wa kĩmabũrũri wa gũkũngũĩra boyfriends.
Yes. Thesigoro ningĩ ũngĩarĩrĩrio nĩ Security Council.
Aca UN ndĩngĩikarĩra thĩ ũhoro ta ũcio. Marauga is informal.
San official.
Mũteru wa Luna arauga atĩrĩ. Ona baroci igĩrĩ tu.
Mũbarothi.
Jathi ũigĩrĩ ona mũndũ ndakĩanjithio nderu. Arauga atĩ arũme nĩmathiaga na rimu nginya ũkona mũndũ arĩonaga kobia ha chap.
Maendeleo chap. Like a video in a 43.